My name is Christopher, and I reached out to Future Remodeling because I was having severe issues with my roof. Shingles are falling, wood was exposed, and I wanted to reach out to somebody that felt like I can trust, somebody I felt like understood what I was going through and understood what the issue was. So how I found Future Remodeling was I went on ChatGPT and I searched up most trusted roofing company near me. And obviously, #1 choice was Future Remodeling. So I'm a novice. This is my first home. This is my first time doing a roof. So I didn't know what to expect, what to look for. And the best part for me was that the individuals who were in charge of managing the project walked me through it step by step. What I mean is they gave me pictures with a drone of details what they were doing. They asked me a number of times, was everything okay? Was everything right? Was everything in order? For someone who's new, they made me feel very confident and comfortable. Places they're starting to clean, the workers have come in here twice to make sure everything's okay, to fix the roof, am I comfortable? I have no bad experience. If I had to recommend this company to my friends, I would, because I feel like the one thing you're looking for, from my perspective, is not just the work being done right, but people you can trust. Reliable, dependable, and trustworthy.